Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can cancel send friend request on Snapchat. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat and click on your profile picture on the top left and scroll down, and in the bottom you can see add friends. Click on that. So currently I added our friends, so let me add another again. So this one for example, so I selected this one. And once you add it, you simply need to click on three dots on the top right here, and here you can see recently added option. Click on that, and this is the all the person that I recently added, so I'm going to select this one. Or you simply need to hold it for a while and click on manage friendship, and here you can see option of remove friend. Click on remove, so now it will be removed. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.